Discover this incredible waterfall in a cave in Minas Gerais, Brazil. Located in the Andorinhas Natural Park, in the historic town of Ouro Preto, the Andorinhas Waterfall is the main attraction among all the trail circuits that exist in the area. Amidst lush forest and surrounded by a mountain range, the trail to this waterfall presents some obstacles, especially on its way there. But it is also worth mentioning that it is short and well signposted, approximately 1 kilometer away from the entrance. Enjoy this wonder of nature and be sure to subscribe to our channel to follow our next adventure.